Hello guys, for today's video guys, we are going to the farm. Me alone only. I am alone going there because I will see what happening. Sure. Yes, I'm on my way going to the there. I'm going there. Let's go guys, so I will not feel bored. You go with me. We will go to the jungle and see how life goes there. My grandma is living there, my brother and my sis-in-law. I will show you what I'm my way. This is the road. This is the way that I'm lakat-lakat. Yeah, like that. My father is there visiting her mother. There are many farmland there, guys. Yesterday I saw a snake in the house while I'm taking a bath. It's not good because my house is behind this farm. Look. So that's why there are many snakes around. The snake is visiting the house. Oh my god. How beautiful is the farm that I'm living. It's nice to live here in the rural area. You can see many kind of leaves. The green leaves. Yes. Oh, there are dog barking. Look, this is the house of my uncle. This. Oh, there's a dog. And this way. Oh, look. Let's be careful because that's the house of my cousin. There are many houses here, but there's no electricity here. My grandma and my father's there. Hello! Ano, nangaon na ka mo? Opay lang pinaniring. Ano, bagamat may dara. Opay lang pinaniring nga pangaon. Waray man dara. Ding, katay agi tay. Ding ka agi, didi. Dit, kuan? Tuh, didak. Diri ba didat kawayan? Mahulog ka. Hain, ngadi ako didi. Adi haral. Yes, mo pwede din hipagkuan. It's nice to stay here in the. Look, there are many. What's that? And you can see there are many kind of vegetables here. Oh my god, what is that? It's kind of mango. Look. I don't know if, but this is kind of vegetables. Yeah, it's nice here. There. Oh, look, there are many chicken and roaster here. So it's nice to have a farm here. And that is my, there you can see my pigs, my 2 pigs. Yes. Sometimes we catch fish here in the river because there are many fish in here. Look. Oh, there are many coconut also. The house of my brother. He is there working as a construction worker, and you can see also there are jackfruit. Look, oh, when it's ripe, you can harvest it. But when that's not ripe, you can make it as a vegetables. There are trees also. There are banana. Oh, banana and guava. Well, you can see it's guava, but it's don't have a bunga. Yeah, I will tour you here in my province. Yes, tour you. I'll tour you because it's very beautiful here. Yeah, you can see many beautiful forests and green. Oh, look, there's a coconut. It's nice to plant here. Let's roam around. Let's go, guys. So actually, hi. So actually, we have a fish pond here, but the fish pond, but of course, it's low of maintenance because we don't have many. Oh, I have dirty germs on my face. It's funny. So enjoy here living in the province. I can see ducks, 2 ducks. It's a big ducks. Do you see, guys? Yeah, and it's have a pineapple tree, but it's not don't have fruits yet. Tabi-tabi po apoy. Okay. When you are here in the forest, you can say tabi-tabi po apoy because we are not human only living here in the Philippines, in the what's this? In the Kagurangan forest. We also have white lady here. The people that aswang multo, there's also have here. So ayan, I hope I have money for that fish pond so I can fix it. I can gig the what's that? The tuna there because it's have fish. You can see fish there. Sometimes they are catching fish there. You can see it. It's have a santol tree also. So let's go. I will tour you to my brother's house. Look at his house, guys. Oh, I hope you can follow me, guys. Share the video so I can help my family because my family is very poor. They are poor only. Me also, I'm poor, but I'm trying my best to help my siblings, my family. You already see the house of my grandma because the problem here is we don't have electricity. But if have electricity here, this will be good because my brothers and sister can stay here, and if there's people living here, I think it's not look like this. It will clean the backyard because as you can see, everything that you can see here is grass. Yeah. If you live here, you can have a province life, like you will put laying egg chicken. I'm afraid to go there, but I want to go or to roam around my brother house, guys. My brother house, that is the donation. I'm back umaagi. I'm afraid. That is the donation of the CRS. Suske, it's close. I cannot see. Let's see. Let's go there. Oh, I entered the house. I entered their house. Oh, my brother house. As of now, my brother is in in his work. My brother is on his work. Look, oh. Oh. My brother is have a piggery, but since he don't have money yet, he don't have money yet. That is his piggery house. I hope my brother can have his own piggery, because you know, guys, his wife is only there in Manila working. It's so sad that her wife is working in Manila, but oh, look, her wife is working in Manila to save money because it's so difficult living here in the Philippines, like here in the rural area like this, as you can see, guys. And that is the house of my grandma over there. Actually, before it's so clean. Let's roam around, guys. Many roaster. You can see many roaster. You can have chicken here. Tabi-tabi po apoy. Tabi-tabi po apoy. Oh, there's have a chicken also. Wow. It's have a banana. Look, oh, it's have a banana. Let's go down here. Let's have a fish pond also there. Oh, we must be careful because there are many snakes here. Look. This is the land of my father. Let's be careful, guys. Yeah, we are here. Oh, this land will be good if we have a maintenance here, like we're cleaning. Oh, look, it's have a ano there. It's have a, as you can see, it's have a coconut upstairs. Wow. What happened? The coconut is, oh, not good. Wait, guys. I don't know what happened to that coconut. Oh. Let's go also here. Tabi-tabi po apoy. Tabi-tabi po apoy. Oh, it's ano here. We can see a guava tree. It's nice to live here. Only you need to maintenance the farm. I see coconut. The coconut, guys. You see? There are many coconuts over there. Uy. So this is the land of my father. Oh, you can see. It's long. There's a ripe jackfruit, I think. Oh, it's a ripe jackfruit. I don't have a... Oh, look, it's a ripe jackfruit over there. Oh, I will get it. Look, guys. Let's go back, guys, because I'm alone. It's nice to have plant here. Have house. Oh. Wait, guys. I will get the songo. Look. What's that? I get the this you can use this for cooking when you don't have gas. Let's go back because it's dangerous. Tabi-tabi po apoy. It's dangerous when you're alone. Limba ka tumagi. Tabi-tabi po apoy. Oh, I'm on my way back. You can see, oh. I get wood. And we will shortcut here. The house of my brother. Wait, we need to lock. I hope, guys, you will help me, follow me, because so I'm back. I'm here in my piggery house. I'll show you the pigs. This is the, you can use when you don't have gas, you can use this one. I'm here, guys, in my piggery house. As I said, I have 2 pigs. One is female and one is male. Look, we have a wheel here, the water, and look at the 2 pigs. Yeah, I have 1, 2, 4 house here. 4 house for the pig, but I start again for 2 pigs. Yeah. Let's clean the backyard in the piggery house. because there might be a snake if we're not cleaning here.